The Darien Gap is a pristine and almost untouched wildlife area at present day, and the construction of a massive intercontinental highway right through the middle of it will obviously disrupt that. A highway did technically go into construction once in 1971 and then again in 1992, but it was killed both times by damning environmental damage reports. However, there have been some ideas peddled around that would mitigate this. One idea is to simply extend the already existing Pan-American highway from Yavisa in Panama out to the Caribbean coast through the less delicate ecosystems and establish a ferry link with the road network over in Colombia.